Who is the best used clothing wholesaler to buy from here in the UK? Well, in today's video, I'm really hoping that I can answer that question. You'll see next to me, I've got a box full of wholesale clothing goodness. Now, I've ordered this from Boom Wholesale. And up until recently, if you asked me the question, who is the best clothing wholesaler in the UK? I would have said Boom Wholesale without a doubt. Boom Wholesale have recently merged with a new wholesaler, and for a period of time, therefore, their website was down. It's now come back up, and you can now order stuff again, and that's exactly what I've done. I've ordered a branded mix from them. The prices are higher than they were before the website went down. But I've given them that feedback, I've spoken to the owner, and they've actually offered me and all of my subscribers a 10% discount if you use code MONEYMENTAL to buy from them. So that should help with some of those prices. It's about £265 now, including shipping, for one box of 15 kilos of branded clothing. But I have been assured that the standard, the quality is excellent on these, as it always has been with Boom. So I'm really excited to get into this box and see what I've got. Join me as I rip it open and see what Boom Wholesale are offering for us. And don't forget, use that code MONEYMENTAL if you want to buy some stuff from them as well. Right, let's get into it. Ooh. Okay, so that was a struggle to get the box open, but it is now open. A few things about Boom now. They used to operate on a pre-order model. So you used to order stuff from them and it could take several weeks to arrive. Now you get your stock in a few days. I ordered this, within 2 days it was here. Basically everything on the website is what they've currently got in stock. So if you buy it, you're going to get it in a few days. That's based on feedback that they've received from people fed up of waiting to get the stock. Right, let's see what your first item is. Ooh, very nice. We have got an Adidas, it's an XL, 46-48, vintage, 90s by the look of it, track jacket, really nice, boxy fit. That's a really good piece. The condition on that, absolutely fantastic. That can be listed straight away. And incidentally, speaking of listing, on my next video, I'm going to talk about how I have used the tool that's readily available to everyone to massively improve my listing speed. It takes so much of the pain out of listing, and I'm going to be actually using it to list some of these items. And the next item out. Ooh, a quilted Polo by Ralph Lauren jacket. And again, the condition on this, absolutely outstanding. I will chuck up some comps of these items so you can see the value of them. In my experience, a good wholesale mystery bundle like this, if you're doubling your money on it after fees and everything, then that's what you want to aim for. And already this is a banger of an item. Really pleased with the first two. Looks like we've now got a tweed jacket. I'm going to bet that this is Harris tweed. We'll have a look. Definitely a vintage piece. Oh, getting the buttons undone is proving to be fun. There we go. St. Michael, pure Scottish wool. It is indeed Harris tweed. So it's a vintage Marks and Spencer's Harris tweed blazer. Obviously Harris tweed being the brand, as it were, on that item. But again, there's a good value in that. Looks like we've got another track jacket, Fred Perry one. A UK 10, so ladies Fred Perry jacket. Again, really impressed so far with the quality of these items. That'll do well. Nice colours. I sold Fred Perry jackets like that quite often in the past. They tend to go for decent money. Oh, got a coat. These are all really nicely folded as well. This is a Columbia core women's. It's got a fleece inside it as well. It's actually got 2 layers to it, attachable fleece, which will just add to the value as well. So again, they do well, especially on Depop. Oh, we've got a gilet, Nike Storm Fit, size medium. Feels like it might be down-filled as well, but have a look. And there's polyester. No, it's polyester, but nice gilet. Perfect time of year for it. Now, I did actually speak to Boom when I was getting my 10% discount code sorted out for you guys. What they've said is, for the stuff that they're shipping out at the minute, it's actually going to be appropriate, or as appropriate as they can make it for the time of year. So you'll notice there's a lot more coats, jackets coming out, which is really good, because in the past you would usually find you end up with a lot of summer stock in the winter, a lot of winter stock in the summer, and you'd have to hold on to it. But this so far looks like they're actually giving you stuff that will sell now for strong money, so that's another really good thing. Berghaus fleece, it's a UK small. It is 2-tone, it's grey and green, good colour combination. Again, perfect time of year for it, perfect condition. I'm impressed so far. I've got North Face XXL quarter zip fleece. Again, perfect condition. It's all been grade A so far. It's actually been better condition than I've had in the past. We've got a couple of sweatshirts. We have got a Stella McCartney Adidas sweatshirt. So Adidas cross Stella McCartney collab in an XL. I just want to check a couple of things on this. Yeah, it is legit. It is from 2021. Nice sweatshirt. No idea on the value of the Stella McCartney stuff, but you know, assume it's a bit more than the standard Adidas sweatshirt. We've got an Alas or Alessi, I never know how to pronounce this. Spell out sweatshirt, vintage, size medium, again, good condition. They actually kind of smell like they've been laundered as well. Got a Nike sweatshirt, extra small, so not the best size, but this should go okay on Depop or Vinted. I do find the small sizes do well there. Nice little Nike tick there, a little bit of cracking on it, but you know, that will, for the right price, sell okay on Depop or Vinted. I do believe in cross-listing to as many different places as possible. We have got a Gant 2XL, kind of a cable knit rugby shirt type thing. And I say rugby shirt because the buttons are those type that actually sort of bend when you touch them. Yeah, again, perfect for this time of year. Oh, we've got a big Carhartt. Size large, work in progress. Carhartt sweatshirt. Nice little pocket. Carhartt hit on the pocket. No idea if I've got the camera angle right for this. So that's what we have. Yeah, again, strong brand Carhartt. Nice colour, good size. Do well with the pocket on it. Got a jumper, Tommy Hilfiger one. Now these tend to do better on Vinted and Depop than they do on eBay. eBay, terrible, but on Vinted and Depop, these fly out. I mean, literally, I've had them with stains, rips and whatever, and they've still sold strongly. So perfect stock for your Vinted and your Depop. Again, absolutely spot on condition. If it was a bigger size, which is large, if that was a bigger size, I would actually probably keep that for myself, because that's quite a nice thick jumper. Another Tommy. We've seen some slight issue with the drawstring. It just needs threading through. It has still got it, but it's just become unthreaded, so we'll sort that out. Kangaroo pocket hoodie. Again, nice Tommy embroidered logo on it. Yeah, Depop Vinted. Better marketplace for that. eBay, just follow him. We have got a Champion jumper, size medium. It's a hoodie actually, again with kangaroo pocket, and again that is Depop Vinted stock. So that's where the buyers are for that kind of stuff. Oh, what have we got here? Leather. Oh, suede, I should say, vest by Shot. Made in the USA. This will have good value. Good value in it. Shot, great brand. The fact that this is made in the USA, even better. Size large, suede vest, do fantastically well selling unbranded ones of those for 20-25 quid. So the fact that it's got a Shot brand on it, only going to increase the value. Now we do have some t-shirts. An extra large Tommy Hilfiger regular fit polo shirt. Again, Depop Vinted for that. Another Tommy Hilfiger shirt, t-shirt, size small. We have got a Barber slim fit shirt, long sleeved. I hate listing shirts because they always get creased, you got to steam them, it's just effort. But again, absolutely immaculate condition despite it being white. Perfect for eBay. Right, good country brand. Vintage Yves Saint Laurent shirt. So vintage, the size is put off, so I'll have to measure that. But yeah, these do well on eBay again. Oh, we've got some nice vintage popper tracksuit bottoms here from Adidas. Nice bit of tapering. Nice bit of stuff on there. Fantastic. Long sleeve Adidas Athletic Department t-shirt, grey, green. You know, the Depop Vinted item. So it looks like they are still doing some t-shirts and stuff in here. Nice again. Ralph Lauren Polo, which I don't want to get too excited about. It's a big pony polo. Size small. Got a 3 on the back. That should do well. Big pony Ralph Lauren polos do a lot better than the small pony ones. They're both are in demand, but this is just in more demand. Size small, custom fit, so it will be a little small, but can't complain about that at all. Another pair of tracker dackers, tracksuit bottoms, size medium, Nike. You know, pretty standard ones. Nike silver tag. What we got? We've got a pair of cords. Very nice. Tommy Hilfiger corduroys, 32. Branded cords always do well, so perfect. Some more trousers. Looks like they're layering by the type of item they put in. Hugo Boss slim fit chinos, 30-32, so slightly on the small size, but yeah, again, they'll do well. I am happy with this box so far. There's still more to come from it. Levi's 501s in a 36-30. I have to do a bit of research on these because these actually look quite vintage. In fact, don't you just hate it when people rip out it? Here we go. These are made in USA. I was correct. These are properly vintage 501s. These will require additional research because these will be higher value than your standard 501s due to them being made in the USA. So yeah, very nice. But diesel jeans, always strong sellers. They're Wakey's, waist 38, leg 32, so good size. Bit faded, but bit vintage fade, never did anyone any harm. And again, perfect condition apart from the fade. Last two items now. Pair of Dickies. Nice pair of Dickies work trousers. They always fly out for me when I get those, so can't complain. And another pair of Dickies. Very good. Yeah, Dickies work pants. Excellent condition again as well. UK 30. Yeah. So, am I happy I bought the box? Yes, I am happy with it. I have no doubt at all that I will at least double my money, if not more, on those items. I am quite happy to keep on recommending Boom as a good supplier. Like I say, if you want a good quality mystery box of stock, this branded 15 kilo box seems to be good, competitively priced, some good items in there. That Ralph Lauren quilted jacket, really good. Made in USA 501s, fantastic. Various other pieces in there, that shot leather vest. Most important thing is all of it is stuff that will sell. Like I say, not all on eBay, some of it better suited to Vinted and Depop. The t-shirts will go for lower, you know, maybe 10 quid or so. But it all adds up to the overall value of it. So I am I'm really actually quite happy with that. I'm more than happy to continue recommending Boom as an excellent wholesaler based in the UK. Use code MONEYMENTAL, you'll get 10% off your order. Branded box looks good. I'm going to keep on trying different categories in Boom as well, so each month I will try and release a different video. So we'll probably go for the unbranded box next month. I'll see if that's good as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you've made it this far in the video, please comment explosive down below, just so I know that people have watched and enjoyed the content. And I will see you on the next video where I talk about how my listing process has improved 10 billion times. Bye for now.